Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the endemic nature of the current pandemic situation. Got to thinking about this when reading a recent article from ASEAN Now, that's ASEANnow.com. Endemic plan approved, CCSA endorsement pending. Quoting directly, Bangkok, this is from the NNT. Plans are underway to treat COVID-19 as an endemic disease after the Ministry of Public Health held discussions with government agencies and the industrial, tourism, and commercial sectors. Public Health Minister Anutin Charnvirakul said the collaborative plan aims to set medical, economical, social, and organizational standards that will allow the general public to live safely with the virus. My question on that is, do we really need medical, economical, social, and organizational standards to just live? Because that's what we're talking about. It's not live safely with the virus. I mean, we've been living safely with viruses, especially endemic ones, since the dawn of time. So, what are we talking about here? Quoting further, however, authorities may not be able to officially declare COVID-19 an endemic disease without an official classification from the World Health Organization. Since when did the World Health Organization set policy in Thailand? I'd like to know that. I understand that public health ministries here in Thailand collaborate with WHO, but WHO does not dictate policy to Thailand. Thailand's its own country. Thailand can decide what it wants to do with respect to these issues. It doesn't need to be told what to do by the WHO. I don't really understand where they're coming from with that. So that being said, I think it's a good thing. Again, I've said it before. Overall, I've been rather positive about the way that the government has handled things, but I've made my opinion known out there when I've disagreed on something, and this is kind of one of those times. It's like, come on, allow the general public to live safely with the virus, and in order to do that, we need to set medical, economical, social, and organizational standards. When have we ever done that? I'm not saying there's not precedence for public health interventions, but for something at the level that this thing has devolved to, if you want to call it that, or evolved to, no, we just don't need this stuff. Or do we need it? I don't see how we need it. At this point, 2 years ago, totally different situation. Even a year ago, I could understand the argument, but now, and especially where we've seen the absolute detriment this has had on the economy and everything. I mean, I really don't want to see anyone set economical standards, because if they're anything like the standards we've had the last 2 years, the economy would be in the dirt for the next decade. It's just, at this point, can we just put this behind us?